Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're opening up a 2019 Hot Wheels case. This is the K case. I'll be sending a few new cars to one of you guys, so make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Now let's zoom into this case and find out which brand new Hot Wheels cars we have inside. The first car in the box is a white color of the HW Hot Trucks Too Tough. The second car in the case is a new color of the HW Metro Eruption. One of my favorite new cars, the red color of the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Then we have a new gray color of the DC Batman Batmobile, followed up by a second gray Batmobile. And over on the left we have a bright new color of the hot dog car Street Wiener. Starting on the next row we have an HW Metro truck called Fast Gassin'. Then a red color of the HW Race Day Indy 500 Oval. And right alongside it is another Indy 500 Oval. Up next from HW Race Day is the blue 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. Here we have a couple of HW Rescue vehicles, starting with the Fire Chief Fast Master. And the other HW Rescue model is the orange color of HW Pursuit. We've got a pretty neat car to start off our next row. It's the Muscle Mania Roger Dodger 2.0. Now for some street beasts, we have the yellow color of Piranha Terror. And of course another equally terrifying yellow Piranha Terror. Here we have an HW Race Day Gumball 3069 Corvette Racer. A very hot car from Nissan, the red color of the Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo, followed by a second red Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo. Then we get a new color of the HW Ride-On's Diaper Dragger, and an absolute beauty from HW Race Day, the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. From Xperi Motors, we have a new red color of the GoPro car Zoom In. Muscle Mania features the custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And don't forget we have another one of the Gulf Racing custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. On the left, we have the red color of the HW Race Day Porsche 917 LH. One of the best cars in the case, the blue color of the 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata. And we've got a second one of the HW Speed Graphics Miata. This HW Race Team car is pretty awesome. It's the 2010 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake. Now for some HW Hot Trucks, we have the regular Treasure Hunt Custom Ford Bronco. Here we have the all-new 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. And on the end, another beautiful yellow Ranger Raptor. Moving on to the bottom row, we have an HWR Cars 64 Chevy Nova Wagon, a new red color of the HW Race Day Dodge Charger stock car. From the Baja Blazers, a white and green color of Dune Daddy, a Queen of Hearts HWR Cars 56 Ford F100. As part of the Rod Squad, we have a classic 55 Nomad. And to finish off the first half of the case, we have a blue 2017 Acura NSX. Diving into the next part of the case, we have an HW Race Team Corvette C7R. The next car in the second half of the case is the 85 Honda City Turbo 2. We saw this one earlier in the case, the orange HW Rescue HW Pursuit. Then we have a white Muscle Mania 68 Copo Camaro, backed by another muscular 68 Copo Camaro. Over in the top left corner is a new blue color of the Land Rover Series 3 pickup truck. On to the next row, we have another Race Team model, and this one is Driftsta. Here we have the black and yellow Moon Eyes Volkswagen Käfer Racer. And right up next to it is a second Volkswagen Käfer Racer. Then we have some more Volkswagen models, the green Volkswagen Caddy, with another Volkswagen truck right behind it, the green Caddy. Over on the end of the row, we have a red HW Race Day Dodge Charger stock car. From the video game Rocket League, here we have an orange color of Octane. As part of the Speed Blur series, here is a white color of Track Manga, with a second red and white Speed Blur Track Manga right behind it. Then we have a blue Rod Squad 69 Dodge Charger 500. And of course a duplicate of the 69 Dodge Charger 500 as well. From HW Green Speed, here we have the white Tesla Model 3. HW Rescue has another police car, the 2010 Camaro SS. Here we have a couple from HW Moto. This one is called Moto Wing. And right beside it we have another one of the Moto Wing. As part of HW Metro, there is a new Shave Ice edition of Quick Bite. We saw this one in the previous case, the Nightburner's Dodge Challenger Drift car. And we have a second one of the purple Dodge Challenger Drift car. Down to our last 12 cars, we have another 2016 Mercedes-AMG GT3. This car was also in the previous case, the red Diora 3. And next to it, we have another Rod Squad Diora 3. As part of the Xperi Motors series, we have the Bubble Wand car Bubble-Matic. And you can never have too many bubbles, so here we have another Bubble-Matic. On the left-hand side is an HW Hot Trucks 67 Jeepster Commando. Along the bottom, we have an HW Exotics 2017 Acura NSX. From HW Flames, we have the 67 Chevy C10. And once again, another hot truck, the 67 Chevy C10. From Speed Blur, we have a purple color of the muscle car Musclebound. And with 2 cars left to go, we have another Speed Blur Musclebound. The final car for the K case is the HW Hot Trucks 67 Jeepster Commando. So there we have the unboxing of the 2019 Hot Wheels K case. If you would like a chance to win these 3 cars here, all you have to do is be subscribed, like the video, and comment your favorite car for a chance to win. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.